My name is Mikkel Marot. I work for Dassault Systems. I'm the program manager for the 3D Experience Works for Startup program. I'm here with Séverine. And Séverine, please introduce yourself.
Hi Mikkel, my name is Séverine Trouillet and I'm the Public Services and Education Director for Dassault Systems in Northern Europe.
Great. So I'm working with the startup program and you're working with students. Do you see some kind of link there and benefits from that?
Yeah, I think, Miguel, for me, students are very important because we have to provide them with the tools that they will need later to be more employable, more productive. And at Dassault System, we have a motto which says never stop growing. So I like for us to work together because I believe that some students are very creative and entrepreneurial. And at school already, or when they are students, they have these great ideas that they want to turn into a startup. And they use actually the campuses and the universities, these kind of incubators. So I think that there's a direct link between the software we provide at university and the startup program that we offer and that you are leading on, because there's a continuity there. And we are accompanying these entrepreneurs from the university benches down to the creation of their startups.
Yeah, so basically they can use the tools that they are acquainted with from education and go chase their dream and create their own company with the same set of tools.
Exactly, and the 3D Experience platform is perfect for that because it's a collaborative space. It's a space where you can use your creative skills to come up with the new ideas, especially if it's more sustainable, because that's what virtual technology is about, really. So I think the continuity is definitely there.
Great, thank you very much.
Thank you, Mikael.